her house key, so she don't give back that key. She always have that key with her. So when Mr. T went and pick up the key to go and give the hyena, that is how she has not got her key. So what happened when the baby hurt himself? She clearly telling her how panicky she was and how she was all over the place and way. So it is fair enough that she rush out the house, leave her key. That's why in Mr. T's statement he said that he went and get the key to give to his wife key to give to Shanice. And it's ironic that the wife just tell us that everybody in the yard have a key. Jayden have a key. So that's why the wife never have no key, because Shanice have the wife key. And that is the reason why I firmly believe that the reptile Mr. T had gave her the key in the morning. I honestly believe that he gave the key to Shanice in the morning. I believe so. Now, we are struggling to answer questions like, what time she come to Jamaica? I myself, I believe she came down to Jamaica in the AM. I believe she come to Jamaica in the AM. And I am starting to wonder, did she actually come down with her husband for true? And I feel like it's a possibility that they can leave the airport and go to the yard where the husband parents them live in a sentence. That is the reason why we cannot find, because you know when people said, oh, I think they come down 2 a.m. in the morning, right? I feel like they came to Jamaica 2 a.m. in the morning, but they went to the little boy grandparents in St. Anne's. That is the reason why we cannot give account for them, and that's why we have to be taking the 2 p.m. time from them, because we cannot and we're able to give time. But then why would she then go to Spiritual Hill to freshen up then? That's gonna be our next question. So did she actually go to Spiritual Hill to freshen up, or she go to Spiritual Hill with Jayden?
Tiger, maybe she never go Spiritual Hill, none at all, or just an excuse to go find Jayden. Because if you put it that way or you put it, it was just an excuse to find Jayden. She never got no spiritual. And that means that Tommy that in it, because she and Tommy got spiritual. So that means that you can't draw Tommy in it. Anything will happen to Jayden.
No, Tommy is not in it. One of the nurse confirmed that Tommy mother was in the hospital. She and Tommy never gonna I lie them I tell. Tommy mother was in the hospital. They know Tommy from in the area that they live. Tommy mother was very ill in the hospital. So when she go to the hospital, she and Tommy walk out of the hospital apparently.
Oh, so I saw Mr. T see Tommy.
That's how Mr. T see Tommy, and that's why.
Okay, that makes sense.
That's why he said Tommy will live in a Philly area, so. So Tommy indeed living in them area, but apparently Tommy's mother was very ill in the hospital, and that's how they see each other.
Okay. So the key and spiritual, me not think she gonna spiritual. If we saying she come in, with her husband and then got a grandfather and grandmother by husband's side. She take the key because she'd have been freshened up already.
That's what
She'd
I'm
have
saying.
been freshened up already. So she take the key for do a for say, okay, me did that this place. But she go look for Jayden.
So now I think there's some things, there's a lot of questions, you know. There's a lot of questions out there, but I think in order to some question we need to answer, because the hospital can play a big role in answer.
You know what I'm saying, Tiger? The biggest question in all of this, forget about what time this one come, that time, that one. Well, not the time, but forget about when the accident happened, when the child get admitted. The biggest question is, Shani come in, Mr. T said, 9 o'clock. Inge Shani the key. The pharmacy, we realized that the pharmacy was next door to the hospital. Shani never go into the hospital where I picnic there. You come for key for go freshen up. And you come from America, so conference, that's why you take a red-eye flight to Jamaica, because your picnic now get through and you don't go look for your child. That no make sense.
And I have been saying that from the very beginning of this thing. I have been saying what I think that I don't understand. When they said that she came down, where you wearing earpiece? There's a lot of interference. Are you fighting? Were you fighting like that?
No, your plane passing by. I live near the airport.
Oh. So one of the questions that I was asking was this. No, I'm not near the airport I live, because I can live in the airport mix. But Jesus. But anyway, one of the questions that I was asking, right? And anybody remember that I asked this question time ago, probably about 3-4 months ago, right? If they are telling us that the hyena came down, right? Listen, you know, she had came down to go and relieve her mother, right? She came down to relieve her mother. Remember, that's what they said, you know. Yeah? And I asked a question. If that is the case, when she relieved the mother, Mr. T will be the one who pick up the mother and bring her home. So why, as the Meeks just come and say the same thing that I've been asking for the last 4 months, why did Shanice did not go into the hospital, take the key from Mr. T in there, so, and see the baby? Why you gonna make Mr. T come meet you outside? Come out of the hospital, come meet you outside to give you the key when you come down to come see your baby. That's the part where I never understand, and I couldn't get that bit. And you see, after 3-4 months, some Meeks come back and say the same exact thing. Why she never go into the hospital and then take the key into the hospital? Because apparently you come down for relief your mother. And I am saying this, and I said this from day one. If I am in so much depression because my child is hurt, and me can leave the United States of America, go through national airport without bed, fly on plane when me order could have gone on the event and kill half the people on the plane, and me never fret and worry what couple more hours of me going into hospital go see my child where I am in a depression mode because me don't know what I'm doing. Why me have to go meet at the pharmacy, take a key, and have to go freshen up? It just don't make no sense, men and people. It don't make any sense. It do not make any sense. And okay, let me show you again. And I have been saying this all the while. The next thing that don't make any sense in my opinion is the fact that you said you come to Jamaica at 2 p.m. Her statement was that she comes to Jamaica at 2 p.m. And I do it, this is the third time I'm going to do it. I said, okay, let's say you come to Jamaica at 2 p.m. Let's say it's 7 hours from where you're coming from in America. I know we still don't know where she come from. Right? Let's say it takes you 7 hours to get to Jamaica. Right? You will leave America at 10 o'clock in the morning. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. No. 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So you'll leave America 8 o'clock in the morning. Morning Jamaican, Shan. Seen? So if you leave America 8 o'clock in the morning, 7-hour flight to get to Jamaica for 2 o'clock. Right? Your baby get admitted 5:36 in the morning. 5:30 to 6 in the morning. You tell us that you and your mother was communicating all along. So I am sure that your mother either communicate with you, so they admit the baby, and this is the reason why they admit him. So you come into Jamaica, you don't know what happened to the baby. No say go? And no say go? So these are the questions when we need answer for. And that's why I do not believe for a second of the day that she came here at 2 o'clock. I think the 2 o'clock, when she said 2 o'clock, she mean 2 a.m. But so for some unknown reason, she said 2 p.m. and then they start work with it.
My husband, I said, throw the key because he had a key and the car key. I said, throw the key, and he threw the key and I opened the door. When I opened the door, my first step was in Jayden's room. When I went in Jayden's room, I didn't see a bag, I didn't see his shoes, and I didn't see him on the bed. I turned back outside immediately and I said to my husband, but Jayden no come home. My husband said, what you say? He said, Jayden not in the house. He said, no man. And Jayden, Mr. T and Demar came in and said, but that true, Paula talk man. But Jayden no like no in a Jayden room, so Jayden gone a bit so early. Pay no mind. When I come, I was the first one that comes to the door. I pushed the door and the door was closed. So I called to my husband and said, throw the key because he had a key and the car key. I said, throw the key, and he threw the key and I opened the door. When I opened the door, my first step was in Jayden's room. When I went in Jayden's room, I didn't see a bag, I didn't see his shoes, and I didn't see him on the bed. I turned back outside immediately and I said to my husband, but Jayden no come home. My husband said, what you say? He said, Jayden not in the house. He said, no man. And Jayden, Mr. T and Demar came in and said, but that true, Paula talk man, Jayden no come home. Mr. T put down the bag with the chicken. The chicken that we bought that Friday evening was in the kitchen until Sunday. Nobody eat. We all left out. And when I reached at the hill, the first person I called was Mr. Gabriel, the principal of Manchester High.
When you hear that part, look while. When you hear what she said, look while. I want to say I can't fit them two here together because she said she leave the hospital after Shanice come, right? Shanice, she said Aina told us she reached at the hospital 7:09. 7:09. So listen to that version here. of the event. Listen to this version of the event. Sugar!
So in them I used to lock the phone. He didn't used to lock the phone. But when I come in now, we check the phone like, you understand? The phone lock. Hold it up. Ain't no more in there. So the drive was same time we took up a commentary. They pick up in daddy and the bigger brother. We said we head back and go, baby, you know, we don't drive from Madi. Yes. And we head back out of Madi. Before we reach Madi, we met up a new post station. We tell the police. He said, officer, before you had to see the coach, him, nephew, in-law, so me go, that after much more than. No, man, you know, they already in about, say, 6:30, quarter to 7. You know, the same Friday. Same Friday. Yeah.
Alright, so there's two key partners that 21 Wagwan. Pick up yourself 21. There's two key partners in this.